Hello guys, this is Lian from Hairui Electronics from China. Today I'm so happy to be here to show you a very useful operating tool, the Connect Special Plier. And these designs are our factory painted, exactly used for 222 and 221 series levels. Okay, and trust me, this will be exactly helpful for electricians who do a lot of daily wiring works, as they will help to make your hands free. Okay, and firstly, let me show you the Connect Special Plier for 222 levels. It's very easily to use. Okay, let me put the Connect into this position. And you can quickly open it like this, you see? Okay, and now let me show you another type for 221 series. A little different design, but it's also helpful and easily to use. Okay, you see? Then press the handle, easily open the levers. Okay, and these two designs are exactly help us to save time and energy. Okay, if you have any interesting, contact me. Thank you for interesting and watching. Bye.